What's up with y'all? It's Big Boss, and we are in the crib. The lights off, so I'm not about to shoot a professional video. I just want to tell y'all that I went to Dillard's. I went to the mall. I bought 6 fragrances. So I'm about to show y'all like my thoughts and what's going on. So check this out. So y'all see this shelf up here? That's the Dior collection, right? What is that right there? EDP, regular toilette. That's the elixir. Look what I got right here. This is the parfum, bro. I just completed the collection, so like we about to make this a new shelf. So this shelf right here is really small. This shelf right here is a little bigger. So we about to try to take these off. And you know what I'm saying? Put the Dior's on their own shelf. So let's get to it. All right, let me take these down. Alright. Got all the Sauvages. Dior Sport. Dior Homme Intense. That look good. Alright. Ooh. That's not it. Let me tell you what else I got. So, y'all see this? This is the EDP of Versace Eros. Alright. I just picked up the toilette of the Eros, okay? So now I have the EDP and a toilette. All I need is a parfum. I killed that collection. Oh, right here, you know what I'm saying? I just picked this up. You know what I'm saying? So before you buy, coming soon. What else I got that I ain't? Oh, Jimmy Choo Man. I think y'all know about that already. What else? Yeah, that's kind of all I got on the new side. Oh no, look. So I got the big bottle of Prada Ocean. You know what I'm saying? So I got Prada Ocean and I got Prada Black. You know what I'm saying? All I need is the original and I completed that collection. So, oh, I'm not done. See right here? Y'all always been telling me to get it. I finally got it. Spice Bomb Infrared. So that's about to hit the shelf. If I can get it out the box. It won't be stuck. Spice Bomb Infrared. What's up there? Infrared up there. You know I got Spice Bomb Night Vision. Put that up there. Then I got the OG one. I know y'all looking like, where the Spice Bomb Extreme? Yeah, that's the only one I'm missing. AD got Spice Bomb Extreme. I ain't got that yet, but Dior Paco Spice Bomb. Okay. Well, I could put my Valentinos up here, couldn't I? I could put like Valentino right there. Have all these in the middle. And put Curl Fantasy right there. It ain't gonna really fit. That's why I need some more shelves. I need some more shelves. I don't have enough shelves, bro. Alright, but that's just gonna have to do for now. Okay, that's also not the only cologne I got. It's the last one too. Paco Rabanne Invictus Platinum. Yeah. I actually got to do an unboxing. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing right now on camera so y'all can see what's popping. I got to figure out where I'm going to set the camera up at. So look. So I got all the Dior Sauvages, bro. You know, it feel really good being able to like complete a whole collection, right? And I really be paying for this stuff with my own money. I'm not getting no money from YouTube for real. Look. What that say? $200. That's my own money, man. I worked hard for that. I didn't see what else I got though. Look what I got. I just took a whole bunch of tester strips and stuff. Yeah, I don't care. Cause man, I be doing the verses and I be needing the girls to smell the tester strips, and I ain't feel like buying none, so I just took it. I ain't care. Hey, it's so funny though. I was going to leave. The lady came back like, "Where did all my texture strips go?" I don't know. Hold on. I gotta put them in this little thing. Oh, look, y'all. So, let me tell y'all what Big Boss be smoking on. Look. Yeah, don't do this at home, y'all, but look. Oh, yeah. That's that gelato. Yeah, that's the crazy good. All right, y'all. Let's see what else in this bag before I do this unboxing. Oh, yeah, they let me take out samples. Not samples, but like get like make little bottles. So I put Dior cologne in here. I put Ultra Mil in here. I know I still don't got Ultra Mil, I know. And I put Chanel Allure Sport. I put that in here. I think my cologne collection like gotta be like $10,000, bro. Alright. Paco Rabanne, Invictus Platinum. Let's open this real quick. I like to open it real elegant just in case I want to take it back. But I don't think I'm gonna take this back though. But my Paco Rabanne shelf getting too full. I need like a whole new shelf. I gotta get some shelves, man. Y'all about to see me revamp. Like I'm gonna put some shelves. Like, I'm telling you, I'm about to have a whole nother layer of shelves, bro. Oh, I don't care, bro. Fuck it. Alright, let me open this. That damn trophy. Bam! That look good. That look real good. It's all wobbly though. Now, I'm not buying no more fragrances until new fragrances come out. Like, they got Armani Code Parfum coming out. They got Ralph Club Parfum coming out. They got like some stuff dropping, so I ain't buying no more stuff, bro. But I had to get this, though. I love this smell. Let me see. Whenever you spray it, I'm holding it down. It don't come out the first time. That's how you know it's new. This really smells like that cobalt, bro. I'm trying to tell you, like that bad boy cobalt. Oh, I got another one in here. Like another little sample. I put Versace Eros Parfum in here. Yeah, so I got some stuff. All right. So yeah, y'all, I just wanted to show y'all the new fragrances I got. Come on, let's put Paco on the shelf. Ugh. I really buy all this stuff for you guys, like, look, Paco. That's that victory. So I don't got no room. So I'm gonna have to probably make a new shelf for these new Pacos. I don't know where I'm gonna put that at. But I'll figure it out. Alright, y'all, let's kinda conclude the video. You know what I'm saying? Little vlog. Just wanted to show y'all my new collection. You know what I'm saying? I just want to show y'all the Dior Sauvage collection has finally been complete. Ah, looks perfect. Look at this big ass bottle of the toilet. This bottle big as shit. It's as big as my hand. It's a big ass bottle, man. I don't know when I'm gonna use all that. Alright, y'all, if y'all like this video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Got some more content coming, y'all. And I love y'all, and I'm out.
Bitch, I'm big boss, I'm a threat. Bitch, nigga, pipe down before I flex. I'ma put a whole lot of money on your dreads. Like a bowling ball, I put a hole in your head. Shit that you rapping, your songs all be live.